Okay, we've picked up a bit of an injury here, pretty obvious. Looks like a bit of bent wire or something in there. So first of all, obviously we need to remove the problem. Pair of pliers, side cutters. Depends on how well it's going to be stuck in there, to how much effort we're going to have to put into that to get that out of there. Pliers might be a bit better option, I think, on this one. She's in there. Looks a bit like a some bloke's tent peg. Okay, now you can hear the air coming out, and she still was holding air. The best thing is, while the air is coming out, while we do the preparation. Okay, we saw the direction that the problem came out. No point in putting the tool straight down and creating ourselves another hole. We want to fill that hole. So that's the direction it came out. That's the direction we're going to stick the tool in. Start reaming the tool in and out. And then we'll get a bit of glue and put onto that now. The glue is going to help the tyre start to melt a little bit. Make the reamer slide in and out a lot easier for you. Just leave that there for a minute, and then I need plenty more of that. You can see how much easier now that is coming in and out. When you've got it to the stage where we can pretty much pull it in and out with a couple of fingers, it's ready to accept the plug. Okay, so the tool we need for putting the plug in, get ourselves a plug. Quite sticky, you'll see. Just peel it off and then thread that through the tool to about halfway. A little bit hard to get them started, but once you get it in there a little bit, you can just pull him through. So about halfway is what we want. So about there should be fine. Get some glue and put onto him. Give yourself a good coating of glue. Because whatever we put on here is going to get wiped off, so we now also want to get a little bit more into the hole again. Just whilst the air's not in there. Poke a little bit of glue down through the hole. Whoops. So we end up with a good coating of glue on the inside of the tyre as well. That should be fine. Okay, so just push the plug in. Make sure you go right through the thickness of the tyre, but don't lose the plug. Give it a little bit of a turn to help make a bit of a knot on the back, and then pull the tool back out. And there we go. We just need to trim that a little bit off there now. A little trimming knife. And just trim it off level. Now, yeah, while we were pulling that tool out, if the plug had have come back out, obviously the hole would have been too big. Instead of trying to put another plug in next to this one, it'll generally push that one in. We'd actually put 2 plugs onto the tool and push it in as one big plug, or 3 if we need to. Okay, now we'll just treat this as a temporary repair. This will get us quite a long way, but it is a temporary repair. Get yourself back to civilization, get the tyre fixed properly.